Hi my loves, I've just been to Iceland. Well, it's the food warehouse, but it's part of Iceland, and just done a little bit of a shop. So I'm going to show you what I've got. I've got 2 punnets of strawberries. They were 2 for £3. A pack of the wafer thin cooked ham, and a pack of the wafer thin roasted chicken. A great big pack of mushrooms, 700 grams of mushrooms, a pack of tiger rolls. I picked up this loaf of bread here. This is the, as you can see, it's the sliced seeded bloomer. I think these are quite new in Iceland as well. New since I was last there anyway. A pack of brioche buns, tub of coleslaw, another dozen free-range eggs, and some of this Hellman's barbecue sauce, another pack of the onions because they're just such good value, and then I picked up these are the bergamots. This is 4 of the cheddar and jalapenos. This one is the Stilton bergamots, and this one the Monterey Jack barbecue bergamots. Also picked up these, but I've opened these, as you can see, because I've just popped some into the oven. The hash brown fries, these are lovely if you haven't had them before. A pack of the quarter-pounder burgers. You got 50% free here because there's 6 instead of 4. These, it's a pack of 4 of the quarter-pounder minted lamb burgers. A really nice big punnet here of tomatoes. They were £2 for this big punnet. I thought that was really good. A bag of peppers, 2 red and the yellow. They're the ones that we eat the most. A pack of 4 of Iceland's sort of equivalent to a Magnum, and then a pack of 4 of the mint ones as well. 2 of these, I haven't had these from Iceland before, so I'm going to give them a go anyway. Toad in the hole. So there's 2 packs of those. A pack of prawns. A pack of 64 sea sticks, you know, like the crab sticks. A cucumber. A pack of the Floret crispy salad leaves. These were reduced, it's only me that likes these anyway, the flat peaches. They were reduced to 50p from £1. A great big 2.1 kilogram of the sliced chicken breast. This is already cooked, so you can use it for sandwiches, salads, stir fries, whatever you want to do with it. And also we're going to give some of this to our little doggies as well. To go with the prawns, I picked up some seafood sauce. I'd normally make this myself, but I don't think I've got enough ketchup to do it with, so yeah. So I thought I'd just share very quickly that I've been into Iceland and this is what I've got. So I hope you've enjoyed my Iceland shopping haul. See you all in the next one. Bye.